What's up, everyone? My name is Yuhan. I'm a technician at a local company, Appliance Fix Lab, which specializes in repairing and servicing LG appliances in Winnipeg and the surrounding area. Time to troubleshoot LG appliances. Today's video is about repairing and servicing an LG washing machine in the Burkeville area of Winnipeg. Reason for the service call. The rubber seal on the LG washing machine has turned very black and cannot be washed off. Also, after washing, there is some water left in the seal. Today's video is dedicated to a very important topic that the many people simply do not pay attention to: fungus and mold on the cuff of the washing machine hatch. Mold and fungus growing on the cuff of the washing machine can pose a significant health hazard. Here's how these hazards can affect you and your family. Allergic reactions. Mold spores can trigger allergic reactions in sensitive individuals, leading to symptoms such as sneezing, runny nose, red eyes, and skin rashes. People with pre-existing respiratory conditions like asthma may experience exacerbated symptoms when exposed to mold. Respiratory issues. Long-term exposure to mold spores can cause respiratory problems, especially in children, the elderly, and those with weakened immune systems. Inhaling mold spores can lead to coughing, wheezing, shortness of breath, and even infections in the lungs for those with severe sensitivities. Toxin production. Certain molds produce mycotoxins, toxic compounds that can pose serious health risk if ingested or inhaled over time. While the mold on a washing machine cuff might not directly produce the toxins, it can still introduce harmful spores into your home environment. Skin irritation. Handling clothes washed in a mold-contaminated washing machine can lead to skin irritation or fungal infections, particularly in individuals with sensitive skin or exacting skin conditions like eczema. In addition to health hazards, mold and fungus can cause damage to your clothes. Stain and odor. Mold can leave black, green, or gray stains on clothing, which are often difficult to remove. Additionally, mold leaves a musty odor on clothes which persists even after multiple washes if the washing machine cuff is not thoroughly cleaned. Fabric deterioration. Mold breaks down organic materials, and over time it can weaken the fibers in your clothing. This can result in thinning, tearing, or peeling of fabrics, particularly in natural materials like cotton, linen, and wool. Reduced wash quality. A moldy washing machine cuff impacts the overall wash quality as clothes come out smelling bad or appearing unclean. The lingering spores can also transfer to other loads of laundry, contaminating fresh clothes. Upon visual inspection of the rubber seal, I immediately discovered a large-scale spread of fungus over the entire surface. In addition, the drainage holes of the rubber seal are clogged, which contributes to the spread of fungus and mold. Having discussed the current situation with the LG washing machine with the owner, we made the only correct decision: replacing the sealing rubber. In order to replace the rubber seal, I had to partially disassemble the LG washer, remove the dirty seal, clean the place where the new seal was installed, and install it. After replacing the seal, I gave recommendations. 1. Carrying out a cleaning cycle of washing at a high temperature with a special cleaning agent, which will clean the washing machine from the inside. 2. Regular prevention and care of the rubber seal, which includes slightly opening the door of the washing machine and cleaning the drainage channels of the hatch cuff after each wash. Since it is much easier to get rid of fungus and mold from plastic and metal than from the porous material of the rubber seal, the usual cleaning mode with a high temperature will be enough. We strongly recommended replacing the rubber seal that has been affected by mold and fungus. Success! The rubber seal has been replaced and the LG washer is ready for future safe operation with excellent washing results. Everything has been checked and works. The repair of the LG washer is complete. I advise you to click the subscribe button right now, so as not to miss the next fascinating and informative series of video reviews on the maintenance of appliances in the Winnipeg of Canadian City. You subscribe and like. I make new videos on appliance repair and maintenance. Together we can fix any problem. See you soon. Bye bye.